Hey guys, Mo Trading, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. We're going to be doing the technical analysis on the charts and essentially see what's happening. So before we get straight into the video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers. As well as that, before investing into SHIB Nobi, please do your own research. So Dogelon Mars is currently up 14.66%. This is great news for us because the past week we've been bearish as hell. Like nothing, it's just been bearish. And monthly, let's quickly look at the monthly. We're looking at bearish. It was all bearish. It's good to see that we hit that support zone, but I'll come on to that once we get onto the charts. So let's quickly look at the overall market. Looking at the overall market, we are up 1.99%. This is good news. Hopefully we can see Bitcoin above 50k. That's my main target. Once we see that, Ethereum's up as well, 0.76%, which is good news. It's good news, man, after that huge dump in Bitcoin as well. When we come over to Dogelon, let's quickly look at Dogelon. What's happening? If you saw my previous analysis of Elon, you'd see that this was my last point of support. And what happened? It respected my last point of support. This is where I had bought in. This is where I had bought in a lot of Dogelon. I'd roughly say about $1,000 worth of Dogelon, and as you can see, it took out that liquidity. It took out this. Let me just quickly analyze it so for you people, for you lot. Okay, so we can see a break of structure here. So that's one confluence. The second confluence would be up here. The second confluence would be up here, and my third confluence would be up here. You can see a little break and structure over here. So and let me just quickly remove this resistance zone. Once we remove this resistance zone, my next point that we should be breaking is this one up here. And once we break past all this, then we know that this is gonna go bullish, like very bullish. So let me just move this. Let me just delete this liquidity trend line, and let me just type in break of structure. That's one confluence, and then my second confluence would be this one, and then my third confluence would be this one. And for it to properly complete my analysis for a bull trend, it would have to break past this. Once we break past this, then you just know we're hitting the next target is this target. So as you can see, break of structure, we get a change in character. Essentially my aim is to reach the all-time high, but we just gotta wait because Dogelon does go with Bitcoin, so it all depends on Bitcoin, the current market situation, so you got to take that into consideration. But if we look at Bitcoin is looking bullish as well. If we drop down to the 1 hour, we can see, due to my analysis, I'm still holding this trade, but right now I don't see it being bullish. I can see a little distribution being made. If you know about Wyckoff, a little distribution being made. Let me just quickly put this into a box. See, I see a little distribution. We have had a break of structure, so therefore I feel like we're going to drop down. We're going to fill in the balance, and once we hit a retest, then we're going to go parabolic with this one. We're currently at a strong resistance zone, so we could possibly see what happens. You can't just always go off your beliefs. I know Bitcoin on the weekly, if we look on the weekly, okay, it's a bit laggy. On the weekly, you can see it respecting my zone as I had planned out. So it just depends essentially on how you look at the market, but in my opinion, I feel like it's going to drop back down. Probably drop back down to this support zone. Hopefully we can push up. The main reason I chose this support zone and not this support zone is due to the fact that this didn't create the break of structure of these. So if we analyze this more as well, I could analyze this break of structure, and so you could basically essentially see, whereas this one only had one break of structure and not many. or it didn't break this structure as well. So the my main target would be this one as a support zone. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what Elon does with it as well. If we look at Elon as well, okay, you can see on the 4 hours better to analyze on this as well. So you can see it take out the trend line, it's taking out liquidity. Possibly we could have a retest, probably down this region, or we could just see a straight parabolic, because you never know with these meme coins. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers, and peace.